fun. I have a friend named Sarah. Now, Sarah is a night owl, so that means she is most productive at night. Now, Sarah's company schedules her in the morning, which means that she has to wake up really early every day. Now, she tries to eat a good, healthy breakfast and stay productive, but it's really, really difficult when she's so fatigued. Now, she gets hungry by 11 o'clock, but her lunch break is at 1 p.m., meaning that not only is she fatigued, but she's hungry and unmotivated. This means that she makes a lot of errors and is impatient with customers. Now, when Sarah gets home, she ends up having all this leftover energy, goes to bed really late, and wakes up in the morning exhausted again, all because she's working against her biological clock. Sound familiar? This is a huge problem within the United States today. In fact, the average Fortune 500 company loses approximately $80 million a year, or $1,500 per employee, just because of fatigue-related costs. This is a $410 billion problem within the United States. Now, employers need a better system to be able to harness their employees' efficiency. BioSynch will be a program that will analyze their employees and allow them to schedule them during the times of their best productivity, including eating schedules, sleeping schedules, and working schedules. This would make for happier, healthier, more productive employees and solve a lot of fatigue-related costs within the United States. Thank you.